Hello, my name is Wayne Alexander, and today I'm going to show you how to create a SharePoint group. I'm going to be using my demo system in order to do so, my SharePoint 2010 demo system. And based on you having the correct permissions to do so, what you simply do is you navigate over to Site Actions and go ahead and select Site Permissions. And within Site Permissions, you have an option here to create group. It's really straightforward to do, so I'm going to go ahead and give the group a name. I'll just call that Wayne's SharePoint Training Group. I can put in more of a description if I want to about this particular group. By default, the owner is always going to be the person who created the group, who's logged in and actually created this particular group. For the group settings, I could go ahead and specify who has permissions to see the list of group members and who has permissions to add and remove members from the group. So you've got two options there: who can see the information and who can edit the information. You'll notice by default it's only set to group members who can actually see the list. I'm going to go ahead and say actually no, everyone could see who the group members is, but be cautious of who you're allowed to edit the members, and I'm going to leave it on only as group owner. You'll notice there's not an option for everyone for this, so it's either group owner or group member can actually edit the list of group members. Now, within SharePoint 2010, users will have the ability to request to become a member to a particular group, and allow users to request to leave the group as well. And this is what this option allows you to do. Are you going to allow requests to join and leave the group? I'm going to go ahead and say yes. I'm going to give them permission to do that. You'll notice actually when I selected yes, the email address field becomes available, and I could type in an email address. By default, it's going to put my name email address there because I'm the owner of this particular group and I'm logged in at the moment. For the auto accept requests, just to keep it a warning here, you'll notice it's set to no by default, but if you actually set it to yes, what you're actually telling the system is that any user that requests access to this group will automatically be added as a member and receive the permission levels associated with that group. So that's why it's set to no by default. It's a dangerous game playing given that yes functionality, so I'll always leave that set to no. And then I can go ahead and give my permissions to the actual group, bearing in mind what happens is the any user that belongs to this group automatically inherit the permissions that you give to the group. So for an example, I gave them full control to the group permissions, it means that the users will get that as well. And then you can simply go ahead and hit create, and the system will go away and create that group for you. Thank you.